Myself Rakesh Yadav. I am your maths teacher representing Rajoda Higher Secondary, Sandipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. We are discussing quadratic equation. In previous lecture, I have told you the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, here in exercise 4.1 of NCERT, one question is given. It is question number 1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. So, for that, we have to just bring it in that particular form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If it is in that form, then we may write that it is a quadratic equation. So, it is our question, first of first, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So, we may write here x square a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the applied formula. So, by applying this formula, in place of a, x is there, and in place of b, 1 is there. Where a is equal to x and b is equal to 1. So, it will become x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square is equal to 2. We have to multiply inside this bracket. So, it will be 2x minus 6, x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus it will become, this minus sign will become plus 6 is equal to 0. This 2x is cancelled, but of course here it is x square plus 7 is equal to 0. It is not having x coefficient, it is 0x. So, let us see one example. Suppose I am taking x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So, it will be x square is equal to 4. So, x square is equal to 4 means x is equal to, or x square is equal to plus minus 2 whole square. It is not having coefficient of x, then also it is having 2 values. So, it is x is equal to plus minus 2. Like that only, this is also a quadratic equation. So, therefore, yes, it is a quadratic equation. I have told you that in case of quadratic equation, 2 solutions are there. So, it is also having 2 solutions. In case of square, if square is applicable on x, then of course, it will be a quadratic equation only. That variable is having power 2, means 2 values will be definitely there in a question. Now, second part, it is x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. So, it will be x square minus 2x is equal to minus 6 plus 2x. Now, x square minus 2x minus 2x, this negative 6 will become positive 6 is equal to 0. You remember always these things. Suppose in previous question also, we have to change the signs if we are transposing it from either RHS to LHS or from LHS to RHS. Here we have transposed this minus 6, it will become positive 6, and this 2x, then it will become minus 2x. So, minus 2x will become minus 4x. So, x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now, let us see this. If in place of x square, in this question, if it is having only x, then it will not known as quadratic equation. Now, we have to solve this question. X minus 2 x plus 1 in product, x minus 2 is in one bracket and x plus 1 is in another bracket. So if it is not having any sign, then it is in multiplication only. Here also in one bracket x minus 1 and in another bracket x plus 3. Again no sign is there, means it is multiplication. Now x into x plus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 3 minus 1 into x plus 3. So it will be x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Now if we transpose all these terms here, then it will become x square minus x square plus x minus 2x minus 3x plus x and minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. See here, means with x square we have to transpose x square. So x square minus x square, from RHS to LHS it is shifted, that is why this positive sign will become negative. So x square is cancelled. Here it is plus x minus 2x, means we have to write the x coefficient terms. So this 3x is transposed from RHS to LHS, it is negative 3x, and this minus x is shifted from RHS to LHS, then it will become positive x, and minus 2 is here only in LHS. This minus 3 is transposed from RHS to LHS, then it will be plus 3 is equal to 0. So now this x square term is cancelled. Now x minus 2x minus 3x means positive x, these are two positive x, so x plus x is 2x, and minus 2x minus 3x means minus 5x. So 2x minus 5x plus 1, because 3 minus 2 is plus and plus 1, 3 minus 2, it is having positive sign. Bigger digit is having positive sign, means positive sign will be applicable, and if it is having two different signs, then we have to do subtraction. This you have to remember. If it is having minus sign, it is having positive sign, the two terms are having different signs, then in that case we have to always subtract from the bigger one from the bigger digit. So 3 minus 2, then it will be positive 1, because bigger digit is having positive sign, that is why plus sign will be applicable, is equal to 0. Now 2x minus 5x, that is minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, no, it is not a quadratic equation. See one thing, by estimation also we can write it that it is either quadratic or not. Suppose here it is x square term, but here it is not having x square term, means x square term will not be cancelled. So you may write it directly that it is not a quadratic equation, it is a quadratic equation, but this is the proper manner to find either it is quadratic or not. By estimation also you can write that either it is quadratic or not. In case of this question, here it is x into x, x square, here also it is x into x, x square, that x square will be definitely cancelled. From this only we came to know that it is not a quadratic equation. So that is why we have mentioned here that it is not a quadratic equation. This 8 means this complete equation which is given. That is why I am mentioning here 8, because it is represented here in front. Here this, in this case, here x square term, here there is no x square term. So on transposing from RHS to LHS, that x square will not be cancelled. So directly we can say in this question also that it is a quadratic equation only, because x square term is not cancelled. Now we are doing this question. Here also by estimation we can say that 2x into x is 2x square, but here it is only x square. So 2x square minus x square is x square, means x square term is existing. So we can say that it is a quadratic equation, but if you want to solve it in a proper manner and then want to find it, then you will have to proceed it in this manner only, that it is x into 2x plus 1 minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 5x. You may directly multiply this x inside the bracket, then x into x is x square and x into 5 is 5x. Positive sign is there, so in second step also it is positive. Now x into 2x is 2x square plus x into 1 is x, minus 3 into 2x is 6x, minus 3 into plus 1 is minus 3, and this x square is shifted from RHS to LHS, then it is minus x square, and 5x is shifted from RHS to LHS, it is having positive sign, this will become negative here in LHS. So minus 5x is equal to 0. Now 2x square minus x square, minus 5x minus 5x, here it is x minus 6x, means it is 1x and it is 6x. So bigger digit is having negative sign and these are having two different operations, it is positive and it is negative. So we have to subtract the smaller one from the bigger one and we have to write the greater digit sign. So greater digit is 6 here, that is why minus 5x is here, and minus 5x with written with this x term. Now minus 3 is the constant, is equal to 0. So it will become 2x square minus x square, that is x square, minus 5x means minus 10x, and minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore it is a yes, it is a quadratic equation. See here, now fifth question of that, check whether the following are quadratic equations. In fifth question, the question is 2x minus 1 in first bracket, in second bracket x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 in first bracket and in second bracket x minus 1. There is no symbol, means multiplication is applicable in LHS also and in RHS also. So now 2x into x minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x into x minus 1 plus 5 into x minus 1. So it will be equal to 2x square minus 6x minus x, and this minus is multiplied by minus, it will be positive sign. 1 into 3 is 3 is equal to x into x, that is x square, minus x into 1, that is x, plus 5 into x, that is 5x, and now plus 5 into minus 1. So plus into minus is minus and 5 on the 5. So now 2x square, you may transpose this x square, it will become minus x square, minus 6x and minus x, that is minus 7x, because both are negative. If both the terms are negative, then we will have to add both the terms and sign will be negative only, if both the negative. If both are positive, then we will have to add the terms and the sign will be positive. If one is positive and another is negative, that I have already told you that we will have to subtract the one term from the second term, that or first term from the second term or second term from the first term, it depends ki which one is bigger. So from bigger digit, the smaller is subtracted and then the sign of bigger number is applicable or bigger term is applicable there. Here it is minus 7x, minus 6x minus x minus 7x, it is plus x, this minus x is shifted from RHS to LHS, then it will become plus x, and this 5x is shifted, it will become minus 5x. Now plus 3, it is plus 3, and this minus 5 is shifted from RHS to LHS, it will become plus 5 is equal to 0. So now it will be x square minus 7x minus 5x. Minus 7x and minus 5x means minus 12x. Minus 12x plus x means minus 12x plus 1x. So bigger digit is minus 12. So it is having minus sign. So minus sign will be applicable, and 12 minus 1 is 11. So 11x plus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, yes, it is quadratic equation. So this first question is over. Now, or you may say it is fifth question of first, I am sorry. Now sixth question. Question is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So here we have to apply a minus b whole square formula, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. In place of a, here it is x, and in place of b it is 2. In place of a it is x, and in place of b it is 2. So now if we proceed it, x square plus 3x plus 1 x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it will be equal to x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. It implies that it will be x square plus 3x, or you may write minus x square directly here. X square terms we are writing x square minus x square plus 3x plus 4x. This negative sign will become positive here, this positive will become negative, and this plus 1 and this will become negative, minus 4. So plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0, because in RHS it is having positive sign. If it is shifted from RHS to LHS, then it will become negative. Now 1 minus 4, it is positive 1 and it is negative 4. So it will be minus 3, because bigger digit is having minus sign, and two different signs are there, means we will have to subtract the digits. Now x square is cancelled, so it implies that it will be equal to 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, no, it is not a quadratic equation. See, one more thing I want to tell from my side, that if you want to know that which type of equation this is, x is having one value, means it is linear equation, x is having two values, means it is quadratic equation, x is having three values, means it is cubic equation. So just like that we will have to proceed. It is not quadratic, but it is linear equation, because x, one value of x is possible here. Now this question, in this question we have to apply a plus b whole cube formula. So a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, where a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. This we have to apply. This is the applicable formula here. In exam, you will have to remember always that formula you will have to always highlight it, not by any sketch pen or by any other color pen remaining this black or blue. You may use black or blue pen, you may use pencil also, but not any other color. So you should have to highlight formula part which is applicable here. This is the applied formula. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So it will be x cube plus 2 cube, means just like this, 2 cube plus 3a square b means 3x square. In place of b 2 is there in multiplication, because a square b is written means here it is multiplication sign. You may write it in bracket also, plus 3ab square, that is 3x into 2 square, 3x into 2 square is equal to 2x into x square. You may multiply it directly, it will be 2x cube and 2x into minus 1, that is minus 2x. Now on further solution, it will become x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 2 square is 4, 4 3 is the 12, 12x, and this will become minus 2x cube in LHS, and this will become plus x plus 2x in LHS is equal to 0. Means on shifting these two terms, the signs will be changed. This positive sign will become negative and this negative sign will become positive. Now it implies that x cube minus 2x cube means minus x cube. You may write directly minus x cube. If we are underlining this, we may apply the application directly. X cube minus 2x cube means minus x cube. Now x square term is single term, this term is single term, so there is no need to apply any positive subtraction or addition operation. Now 12x, it is positive 12x and this one is also positive 2x. So 12x plus 2x, that is 14x, and this is only the single constant quantity, it is plus 8 is equal to 0, means it is not having 2 as the highest power, 3 is the highest power here, so it is not a quadratic equation. Therefore, no, it is not a quadratic equation. See one thing, you may write this language in this manner also. No, the given equation is not quadratic. You may write it in that manner also. Now, 8th question of first, x cube minus 4x square plus minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. So it implies that here a minus b whole cube formula will be applicable in RHS. See, in RHS a minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is applicable here. So this is the applied formula. where in place of A, x is there, in place of B, 2 is there. So it will be equal to, it implies that x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 3x square into 2, because 3a square b is there, and here it is positive, plus 3ab square means x into 2 square, x into 2 square. So it implies that it will be x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 minus x cube minus 8, 2 cube is 8, 3 2s are 6x square, this is minus 6x square. When it is transposed from RHS to LHS, then it will be plus 6x square, and here it is 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12x, plus 12x is shifted from RHS to LHS, then it will be minus 12x. So now it is equal to 0, because all the terms are shifted from RHS to LHS. It implies that this x cube is cancelled, 6x square minus 4x square, that is 2x square. You may underline and solve it for avoiding mistake. 6x square minus 4x square is 2x square, minus x minus 12x. You may tick these terms, minus x and minus 12x, that is minus 13x. Because both are negative, that I have told you, we will have to add if both are negative, and sign will be negative only. So minus 13x, and then 1 minus 8 means positive 1 and negative 8, that is minus 7, is equal to 0. Yes, therefore yes, it is a quadratic equation. So this checking of equation, that either it is quadratic or not, this part is over of this exercise.